back on trail today. We're doing a test run on my knees. Let them rest, and we're gonna see if I can't do it. So we're gonna try again. But we're headed to McAfee Knob, and shouldn't be too bad. We were gonna day hike it, but got here late. We got a late start today, so we're gonna hike to a shelter and put up our tent, or if there's nobody there, which we doubt. There's a lot of cars here, so I'm assuming there's gonna be a ton of people up there, and we're going to pitch our tent hopefully and go see McAfee first thing in the morning, hopefully before anybody else. We'll get up real early and head over there and check it out. So it was one of the places we really wanted to see. I just got my pack on. Roger just about ready to get his pack on, and our whole car is packed up because we went to North Carolina to get our car. So now we're gonna have to just do day hikes and shuttle to and from our car, which we're gonna try. And it may even be easier, who knows, because then I did drink some pickle juice, thank you. Did you want some? I'm gonna drink some more though and have a pickle. So we're starting off, here we go. Whew. How you doing, honey? In the sun.
Yeah. Doing good.
We're doing good? Just started.
4:45 and it's 10:21.
Yeah, so we're getting on the trail really late, but we're just going to go to the shelter, which is a couple miles up the trail.
All right, everyone. Round two. Try to videotape. Make a video. I cleaned off my lens, hopefully, with these videos. The last few that I've tried to, I've posted the spit smudges, but that was just because I hadn't watched any videos for a long stretch there. Just too busy to watch them and get them ready for YouTube. So hopefully the pictures quality is a lot better. So we are on McAfee Knob area. I'm going to hit that tomorrow for a short day hike. And we parked at Virginia 311. Lots of cars there. I don't know if they're day hikers and stuff, but not a far hike out tomorrow. Only 4 miles total tomorrow. So there's kind of a viewpoint here. I'm going to walk to the viewpoint real quick. Yeah, it's pretty fallish here. Warm, definitely 80 degrees right now. Hopefully it cools off some so we can sleep good tonight. But this is just a little view as we're starting out. See the valley below. Just beautiful. Hopefully that smudge is gone on my phone, but the hike so far has been really easy. Just a few little stairs for maybe a couple 100 yards. We kind of got on a ridge and now we're actually dropping down a bit. First shelter's only 1 mile, second shelter's only 2. So pretty easy for just an overnight hike. It is 5:58. It's October 22nd. We're heading out in the dark to go to McAfee Knob, so it's 1.5 miles or so. So hopefully we get there and see a sunset, but we should be able to see some stars if there's an opening up there. So warm night, dry night, so we're just doing a little bit of hiking with the headlamp so far. Turn mine off a little bit so you can see. But then we're just gonna come back and hit to the car and probably go to Grayson Highlands, but we're not sure, but that's one of the places we want to go. It's like a 2-hour drive from here, I think. But anyways, just part of hiking. Sometimes you gotta get up early. There was a couple that walked by us already that must have been at the shelter last night, maybe, which was, we camped in a tent. Anyways, I have some Good views, pictures hopefully coming up from McAfee Knob.
So we're doing a little early morning hiking before the sun comes up, and we're headed to McAfee Knob. There's already, we heard people going up there this morning at what, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock this morning. They were headed up the Fire Road. It's really close. It's not a very long day hike, so people come from everywhere to get to this. It's the #1 photographed spot on the AT. We want to make sure we hit everything that we really wanted to see. Just in case my knees don't hold out. But we know that they're probably not going to. So that's what we're doing. There's still some rocks here. Whew. I kind of like hiking in the evening or in the early morning because it's so cool. I don't have any issues with overheating during these times. But it's gonna be fun. You can see. That's not it, is it? Huh? Waiting for the beauty to rise this morning. Look down here, all the clouds. It's beautiful. Just
Well, it's let's see, till it's sunrise right now. It's 7:16. Sandy's on McAfee Knob. It's going to be a cool sunrise. Yep. It's just a really beautiful valley here. And fog's hanging around. And easy climb to get here. Definitely worth the view up here. It's not the picture, it's you actually getting there and doing it.
It's like a sea of fog, or just like light mist. Beautiful. How the sun just changes everything. It's amazing. Yeah, it does. It's amazing. So many people were up here enjoying the sunrise. It was gorgeous. What did you think of that? Are you cold?
Cool.
How come I'm not cold this morning?
I sweat going on around like that.
Oh yeah, I have a little bit, not much. So what'd you think of that beautiful sunset? Excuse me, sunrise.
Sunrise. It's cool.
It's beautiful.
Cool spot. People like to take pictures here.
You know your this thing, buff, is on inside out. So you just look like you're wearing I don't know what it looks like. You need to have the other side showing so you're nice and bright and it matches your jacket. Awesome. Everybody's taking their photo. Getting their photo on the knob.
How does that look?
Really good.
Oh, what a beautiful.
Oh, you keep going. All right. Getting close to the trail. This is the fire road and the trail that goes to McAfee Knob. And we got maybe 3 or 4/10 of a mile to go, probably. I think once we get up here, we're on a ridge line until we drop down to the road. I think. Yeah, we brought way too much stuff for just an overnight. We brought jacket, we brought... It was warm last night, so we didn't need anything warm. Just a sleeping bag. We experienced a wonderful sunrise at McAfee Knob. Just one of the many beautiful settings that we found on the AT. It was bittersweet for us because while we enjoyed it so much, we knew that this was our last night on the AT this year. We want to so thank you for watching our videos and being a part of this journey. We'll have a couple more videos about the AT, and then we'll move on to another adventure. And if we videotape that, we hope that you will join us on that. Thank you so much for allowing us to be a part of your lives and sharing mercy on the Appalachian Trail.